Ready for takeoff. Flight and space students at River Ridge Academy experienced what it's like to be a pilot by flying drones.
Using the drones gives the students the opportunity to actually fly and become a pilot and fly a man-made craft, and it allows them to kind of see what are the skills that are needed as a pilot and what are some things that pilots have to do.
By controlling the drones, the students are also better understanding the principles of flight.
It gives the students to see how is the drone generating thrust, how are we creating lift so that we can fly. So it gives them the opportunity to actually become a pilot and fly and get to experience those things that they may not normally experience.
Students worked in groups, taking turns flying their drones through tunnels, under desks, and more.
My favorite station was going through the tunnel and then landing on one of the pads, and then you have to go back under the table and land on the starting pad.
The students learned controlling and maneuvering their drones can be tricky at times.
Confusing because sometimes the controls for the left control, it controls like the elevation and stuff, but sometimes you automatically do that to try and like go forward, but it doesn't do what you wanted.
It's hard to go under the table because you have to get the perfect amount like to go under the table, and you have to like go a little bit to the left and to the right to like fit through the table.
During the drone unit, the students also explored different types of drone careers using an online virtual job shadow program.
We got to see how they use drones in agriculture to map out and plot a field that a farmer may be planting so that they can keep track of where different crops are. So it really just gives them the opportunity to experience it and feel it and see what it's like.
At River Ridge Academy, Ron Lopes, Beaufort County School District.